Tired of complicated and expensive ways to send money abroad? Let's dive into how Worldremit makes international payments super easy and accessible. First, you need to access the Worldremit website or download the app, and start by selecting Send Now. Once you've done that, the platform will intuitively guide you through the process. Next, choose your recipient and the country there, and you'll be prompted to input their details: name, address, and bank information, or choose a mobile money option if available. Double-check those details for accuracy, then move to defining the amount to send. After you've entered the amount you wish to send, Worldremit will show you the exchange rate, any fees applicable, and the total cost. This transparency helps you manage your finances while ensuring you know exactly how much the recipient will get. Here comes the flexibility part. Worldremit offers several payment options. Most commonly, there are debit cards, credit cards, and local bank transfers. This is fantastic because it accommodates a range of financial situations, with debit cards giving users a lower risk option, and bank transfers offering a traditional way to pay. Once you select your payment method, enter your payment information with a secure, safe connection. Review all transaction details one last time, then click to confirm and send your money. And that's it. You'll get a confirmation message letting you know your money's on its way. Worldremit usually notifies both you and your recipient, so you can both track the progress with Worldremit. You're connected, so send money with confidence.